This year, the United States pivoted in a different direction on a number of important issues. In our AP Environmental Science class, we considered how some of these decisions will impact our planet, including the role of energy production from fossil fuels versus renewable resources like solar power. With that in mind, we created solar-powered vehicles. Solar cars harness energy from the sun by converting it into electricity. This electricity fuels the battery that runs the car's motor. In groups, we figured out how to maximize speed and efficiency for our upcoming solar car race.
Alright, so today we are in AP Environmental Science class. I'm with Aegon over here. We're making some hot Ferrari cars, you know what I'm saying? Some like super hot fire cars, okay? And basically, we were testing to see if this generator with the solar panel on top, if we were to shine a light on it, if it would like, I guess, move without like, you know, human touch or physical contact. And which it did. Maybe he'll post a video. Maybe. You never know.
This year, students created visual representations of many of the concepts we explored in class using Adobe Photoshop. We learned about selection tools and blending modes when we designed cool posters featuring a keystone species of our choice. When we learned about community ecology, we illustrated examples using metaphors. When we studied evolution, we created cladograms and Venn diagrams. Of particular interest for me, though, was when we raised awareness for an endangered species of our choice in our conservation unit.
It's June 1st, 2017, and the day of the big race. Today is also significant because President Trump withdrew the United States from the Paris Climate Accord. Our competition takes on new meaning as we look to inspire our audience, middle school students from lab, to research and identify new ways to harness the sun, reducing global carbon emissions. AP Environmental Science is an especially important class because it teaches us how crucial it is to take action to help preserve our fragile and beautiful planet. We can all make a difference.